Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can find the watch history and delete it on Instagram. So for that you need to open up your Instagram account, then hit up to your profile. After that you need to click on the three lines on the top right hand side corner. Just click on it. Then you will find this option of your activity. Just click on it. After that you need to select this option of interactions. So basically Instagram won't show you everything that you have just watched, and it will only show you the stuff that you have, where you have commented or liked that particular post or reel or that photo. So you need to make sure that you like that particular stuff so that it gets into your interactions. So when you click on this option of likes, you will be able to see all this stuff that you just liked on Instagram, and after that you can just simply click on this option of select and select individually and click on unlike. This way you will be able to delete your watch history, and this is how you get to find and delete watch history on Instagram. You can do it for likes and comments or story replies or other stuff. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.